welcome to the channel. Often it is quite hard for me to find a sticker that I really like to match all the colors of the layout I'm creating. That is why I've created 3 different types of digital stickers in Goodnotes that you can edit and change the colors. So let's look at the first one. So the first type of the sticker is hand-drawn in Goodnotes and then modified in Procreate. You can see how I've done it in one of the shorts that I uploaded to YouTube. And to change the color of the sticker, you need to choose Lasso tool and color and choose the color you want. You can add writing on this sticker by using pen tool. And if you want to move the sticker, you just need to select the writing and the whole sticker will move. And after that, you can still change the color of the sticker without changing the color of the writing. And one of the downsides of drawing stickers in Goodnotes is that you can erase them, so please be careful with that and not erase these beautiful stickers. And this sticker pack includes color codes for all the colors of this pack, so you won't lose the color palette if you change all the colors of the stickers. And the second one is one of my favorites because it gives you so many options. In text stickers you can change quite a lot of things. Firstly, you can change the colors, obviously. Then you can change the corners of the stickers, make them round or sharp. You can add border and choose the color for the border. And my favorite thing, you can add shadow, so your sticker would have shadow. And the best thing is adding text. And you can change the font of the text and make countless amount of gorgeous stickers. And here are all the stickers in this pack. And now let's look at transparent stickers, and I've shown how to create them in my previous video. They are perfect for note-taking and journaling. And in the description of that video you can find a link to free stickers. And here you can see the pack with transparent stickers that I've created. All the grid designs will look great on just white backgrounds. And here you can see a free digital notebook that you can find on my website in the description below. This notebook comes with a cover with table of content and it is hyperlinked. And it has bonus daily planner with morning, afternoon, evening, quotes, water, and to-do list. And it has different colored sections and lined paper designs that you can copy by choosing current template. And I wanted to create a memo using some of the editable stickers that I've made. This journal entry will be about me and my dog walking in the park. And I'm so happy that I got this dog. Her name is Kapusha and she's the best doggo ever. So I hope she will be in all of my videos from now on. And as for the note, I just cropped the picture to fit the sticker and added a cute washi tape on top. And then I added a different sticker that served as a frame for a photo of Kapusha surrounded by flowers as a magical fairy. And I cropped it to fit the sticker as well. after that, I changed the colors of the stickers to the color palette of the notebook, which is purple and pink. You can also change the color of the writing, and it will change the color of the sticker as well. So if you don't want to change its color, don't select it while using the lasso tool. And you can find all the stickers shown in this video in the description below. And I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
The best doggo. The best doggo. You're so cute. You're so cute.